So, guys, we are on day 4 of this week, and we're talking about the restoration. And today, I want to just talk a little bit about the fact that you really have to do the homework on this. You cannot expect to kind of ride on someone else's excitement, or just go, well, that can't be true, and therefore I'm just assuming it. Our very lives depend on this, and so it is very, very important for you to go and put in the effort, to make the effort, to put in the work to understand this for yourselves. Like I mentioned before, I think we just, we grow up in times where we do not spend time in the Word. As a child, that was never something that was part of my life, and it's confusing. If you don't have spiritual mentorship and there's no one walking this road with you, you're starting to navigate some of this on your own. It becomes heavy. Revelation is a book that you probably should work through with someone that knows a bit about this. I'm not saying you can't do it alone and God will not give you wisdom, but it will definitely be helpful if you do that with someone that has got a bit of experience in that, or someone that you can just talk through with it. It just helps us to understand the pictures that are painted for us and how bland they sometimes become. But we have to absolutely do this. It is important for us to understand where this comes from, and that I would do this for myself, that as I work through that space, I can go deeper into it, and I get to understand that, okay, well, if this is how this is going to play out, then what about that, and then how about this, and then I can start wondering and dream about it, because at the end of the day, that's what you want to do. You don't want to just look at this and going, oh my word, it looks so boring, therefore this cannot be true. You want to get drawn into the excitement. You want to have, I'm just looking behind me, you want to have the courage to step boldly into this space. And so today I want to encourage you with that. I want you to encourage in the spaces that we have been given such a bland picture of heaven, that you would make the work, that you would take on this journey for yourself, and that you would, start taking some of the stuff from God's word, go and look in there and start understanding, or start working through it, and just ask God for understanding. My prayer to you right now, my prayer for you right now is that our Dad will just open up these things for us as we look through it and get to understand them better.